Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in UPDF. So let's get straight into it. Now what we need to do first is basically open up the application. So open up, so something like that. So this is pretty much basically you will need to find it on your computer or wherever you have this file which you want to edit, and it will open up your in this editing mode. Alright, so we are now in this mode. So what we need to do basically, you can directly click on the text which you want to edit. So as you can see, it will show up here basically the options what you can do. So like that, and then you can underline, strike through, uh, and then a note, and so on. You can also add a bookmark or start speaking. And yeah, you can also with UPDF AI summarize this text, translate it, or explain it. And yeah, now you can also select here text comment up here, and now you can select where you want to add this text. You can use the pencil also. For example, if you have steady hand, and this is pretty much what you can do with the text here. Uh, you can you can also, what you can do is basically highlight, as I mentioned. Squiggly is basically you will make it this way, and then after that you can change the color, opacity, and yeah, so on. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the